Welcome to the Optimalist. In an era of infinite information, the bottleneck to your success isn't a lack of data, it's the absence of a system to process it. Most people approach learning through passive consumption, a method that ensures fatigue but fails to guarantee retention. Today, we implement the study blueprint. We are moving beyond the role of a student and adopting the mindset of an architect. Our goal is simple: to maximize cognitive output and learning while minimizing unnecessary labor. Consider the traditional approach to a 3-hour lecture or a high-stakes corporate meeting. You attempt to transcribe every word, operating as a human recorder. This creates a fundamental inefficiency gap. By focusing on the act of writing, you sacrifice the act of understanding. You leave the room with pages of raw data, but zero synthesized knowledge. It is an exhausting process that promotes burnout and compromises your long-term performance. To resolve this, we must shift our objective. We are no longer capturing words, we are identifying signals from all the noise. By leveraging technology to handle the mechanical task of recording, we free your cognitive resources for high-level analysis. We move from the noise of a transcript to the signal of a blueprint. Here is the process. Step 1. If you're using platforms like Teams or Zoom, they often have the transcript function already built in. You can take that transcript and move directly to step 3. But if you're physically in a lecture or a meeting or using a platform on your PC that doesn't let you record sound or transcripts, you can use the built-in app Sound Recorder. For Mac, use the built-in apps Voice Memos or QuickTime Player to record the audio. You can also just use your phone to record. There are plenty of apps for that. Step 2. When you're done recording, you need the transcript of the audio. For that, we have a couple of options. PDFSimpli.com is completely free to use as much as you want. TurboScribe is limited to 3 file uploads a day and up to 30 minutes each. But in my opinion, TurboScribe is much more powerful and accurate. So I usually upload longer audio files to PDFSimpli and shorter files to TurboScribe. For this video, I will be using PDFSimpli because I just tried to watch a 2.5 hour tutorial on YouTube and couldn't watch more than 20 minutes. So I used PDFSimpli to transcribe the whole tutorial. When it's done, I won't press the download button as the website will ask for payment. Instead, I mark and copy the text on the right side of the page and paste it into a blank Word document for later use. Step 3. Now that I have the transcript ready, all I have to do is combine it with my custom prompt in any AI I like. For this video, I chose Claude AI. My custom prompt is in the description below if you were wondering. And while you're there, if you find this video useful, leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for even more useful videos in the future. Once I have combined the prompt with the transcript, the only thing left to do is to press send and let the AI do the rest. Once you've pressed send in Claude, or whichever AI you're using, you'll see the magic happen. The AI will start deconstructing that massive wall of text you just pasted. Within seconds, it will spit out a structured blueprint. But don't just close the tab yet. You need to verify that the signal is accurate. I usually spend about 2 minutes scanning through the action items and core concepts to make sure the AI hasn't missed any specific dates or names that were mentioned in the audio. If the output feels a bit too long, I use a follow-up command. I simply type, "This is good, but make it 20% more concise and prioritize the technical definitions." This is how you fine-tune the system to your specific needs. Now you've seen the whole process, from capturing raw audio on your phone or PC, transcribing it for free using PDFSimpli or TurboScribe, to finally architecting that data into a usable blueprint with AI. You have effectively turned a 2-hour task into a 5-minute system. This is what it means to be an optimalist. You're not working harder, you're just building better workflows. Before you go, if you want to see more systems like this, how to automate your life and stay ahead of the curve, make sure to hit the notification bell. I have a lot more blueprints coming your way, including how to automate your email inbox using these same principles. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.